Do you need a police report to file a claim?
You do not need an accident report to file a claim. And actually, the rule is in Florida, we have an accident report privilege, which is sort of, it's not unique to Florida, but we're one of the few states that has it, where the accident report is not admissible for any purpose in a trial. And so any statements told to the police officer actually can't come into trial either.
Really?
Yeah, it's sort of a weird situation where someone can come in. I mean, I have a case right now where this happened. The police has a body cam, on while he's investigating the crash.
Mm-hmm.
And the other driver said something to the police officer, just straight up said, "I never saw your client before the crash." And that now he's coming in and saying something different. We can't use the body cam footage. It's inadmissible. And the reason for it is our legislature thinks that because we have this privilege, everyone's going to be super upfront and honest with the police officers. And it's going to make us have these super accurate police reports. And so they say none of the statements can be used in a civil action.
What? So almost to the opposite side of that, I get into a crash and the cops don't show up. What do I do in that moment? Document everything?
Yeah, I mean, if you take a bunch of photos and you get the information of the other driver, that's sufficient. I mean, that's really the only thing you get to use a crash report for anyway, is getting identity of parties and making sure you have insurance information.
Okay.
Like I said, you can't use any of the statements. You can't use any of the facts that the police officer learned at the scene by talking to people. So the police report is not that useful anyway.
So then, almost to the other side of that, is there a point to maybe not call 911 in a case like this?
I always tell people it's better to call 911.
Yeah.
And that's because one, you're for sure gonna get a police report that's gonna have all the right information.
Okay.
And two, we do want accurate crash data. As a state, as a government, they make policy decisions based on these crash reports. It's important to document everything.